Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do my hair. I don't know if you guys mind being at this angle. I don't know if I should do it from, let me show you guys a different angle, but I really like this. I like that my little floating shelves show. So I think I might leave it like that. But let me see if I zoom out. What if I zoom out? It'd be better like that. Okay, so this is how I like to do my hair. My hair is dirty because I don't wash it every day. So might come out a little bit puffy than what it normally looks like, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. I have this Conair. I honestly don't even know like what inch, if it's an inch or half.
That's what she said.
Sorry, but it's this one. I mean, I don't know if you guys can kind of guess what it is. But I've had this for so many years. I want to upgrade, but I just really like this one. So, I mean, I'm going to be looking. You guys are going to see like the back of my hair, but I'll try to do it from the front. But basically, I like to take sections. I don't really like separating my hair, but I'll grab the curling wand and I'll just twist. You guys can see. I basically just leave it like that. And when I like learned a tip because I love how my hairdresser does my hair. She like does one this way and like one like this rotation, and she'll leave like the ends flat. Maybe you guys can see. I'm not leaving the ends flat, but I just really wish that I could learn because every time I try doing it like her, it just never comes out. Helen, help. But yeah, so this is basically what I do. I just grab it and I really don't hold it there for a long time. I just pass it down really slowly until it gives me like these loose waves. So I'm just gonna do all my hair. I'm just gonna fast forward everything and then I'll show you guys what I do at the end. I'm gonna turn around. Does it look awkward, like for me giving you guys my back? I just filmed a look on this everyday makeup look. I'll be posting that up too if you guys want to go ahead and take a look at that. I need some music. Really, girl? Guys, this is basically how I do my hair. It's just some soft beachy waves. I'm telling you, my hairstylist is so amazing at doing it, like right fresh out of getting my hair done. She like leaves those waves looking bomb. But again, this is just how I attempt to do it. I don't know if the camera's catching it or if it even looks good, but yeah, it just looks like soft waves. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. If I get closer on this side, you guys can kind of see it. Yeah, so again, thank you guys for watching. Hey. All right, guys, well, thank you guys for watching. This is, again, I'm gonna redo another one when my hair is like freshly washed.
It was at this moment that she knew. She
Hair is
fucked
falling
up.
off. Yeah, this is just how I do my little beachy waves. Thank you. I mean, I just said thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like. If you don't like, it's okay if you don't like it, you know? Some people are just not gonna like me, and that is totally fine. I accept hate comments, love comments, any comments. Thank you guys. I hope you guys ask. What? You know, yeah, thank you guys. Bye.